Happy holidays everyone and Merry Christmas. I'm so thankful we can finally say that again. Hey? Welcome to the Ellie Way Christmas. I'm super excited to be doing Vlogmas this year. We've got some pretty exciting partners this year to bring you guys a holiday gift guide. You want to jump on these things right now. This is why this video is going out on the 1st of December, so that you guys can have ample time to be able to purchase these things. Before we get into this, make sure that you are subscribed and please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy this. We are going to break this down. We're going to start off with both men's and women's. This is a company called MVMT. They are such an incredible company. They have affordable watches and accessories for both men and women. So if your dude likes to wear bracelets or rings or cuffs or watches, this is an amazing brand. Their quality is so high. So this is what the packaging looks like. I just want to show you. This is what it looks like for the men's. It comes in a black sleek box with this little red logo on it. It's absolutely beautiful. It does come with this little card in here that kind of tells you about the watch, how to take care of it, things like that, the battery. It comes with this little protective foam piece, and then this is what it comes in looking brand new, both for the men's and women's. The packaging on the women's is a little bit different, and I will show you in a minute. But this is a beautiful watch. It has a brown watch. I love the clasp, it's so unique. And on the inside it has genuine leather, it has all the information. You can also get this engraved if you wanted it to be. You have to just take it into a store that does engraving. Well, it has a minute, second, and hour hand, and it also has a date little piece right there. And it's just so good. I love it. It's beautiful, so sleek, and I don't know about you, but a lot of my friends are pilots, and so they need to obviously look really nice for the airlines. I also have a lot of friends that are in business. We also have the women's. I've been wearing the women's one for a while now, and this comes in white and black, very sleek, very minimalist, very much me. Again, same thing, you get the card on how to take care of it, set it up. Oh, also I forgot, on the inside it actually gives you a little bit of it gives you a card, a little bit of the history of the company. It talks about the different accessories they have. Because I've been wearing it so much, it's a little bit broken in. But this is genuine leather. It's absolutely beautiful. This is a square one. I don't remember the name of this one, but I will try and link it down below. This has a date, and it has an hour and a minute hand, and I love it. It reminds me very much of the style of Movado, so if you love those watches, obviously they're very expensive. This is a really great alternative to it. Again, you can also engrave the back. My back is a little bit gross because I've been wearing this quite a bit. So MVMT again also sells other things. They sell sunglasses, watches, cuffs, bracelets, rings, and I actually wanted to look at the cuffs. So this is what the cuff case looks like. Very pretty, very good, and it comes like this. They are all wrapped in plastic, by the way, and it comes in this beautiful little box, and this is the cuff. Again, I've also been wearing this one. This one is very simple. It has MVMT written on the inside here somewhere, right here. And yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. It's a little bit of like a copper color, which is really pretty. I'm constantly wearing it all the time. It's just such a great everyday piece of jewelry. Okay, moving on from there, we're going to be moving on to another gentleman's item. This is a gentleman's subscription box. Now, here's the thing about subscription boxes. They are absolutely incredible if you are needing to buy a bunch of gifts on the go, and you don't have like a ton of money to spend. I recommend getting subscription boxes because one, you can either give the whole subscription box as a gift, or you can take pieces out and customize gifts. That is what I've been doing for the past couple of years, and let me tell you, it's so good. So this is what it comes in. It has like a little tear here that you're supposed to tear. Mine didn't, so I had to cut it open with my knife. But this is what it looks like, the gentleman's box, and this is how it opens. Now it gives you a little pamphlet of what comes in your box, but this box was $29.99. They have a bunch of different ones. They have the more expensive ones, more high-end ones, and they also have these. Nectar sunglasses, these retail for $45. They're really cool looking. They have this cool brown tortoiseshell. I'm just gonna peel back a little bit of it. This tortoiseshell pattern to them. They come in this little case. They look super, super cool and really, really nice. You also get a mrlapel.co.uk lapel pin, which I think is super, super cool. Has a pin cap and everything. It also comes with a tie clip. This was an oak and stone one, and I just think tie clips are really, really elegant and really nice, especially if you are someone that's wearing a suit quite often. They also come with a pair of socks. These are the Mr. Usher socks. And it also comes with a tie. Now this tie is a skinny tie, which I think is really, really nice. The texture and the pattern is so nice. And I'm so looking forward to giving some of these pieces away to my friends. Okay, this is another one. If you want to do like a skincare bundle, which I really love to do for some of my lady friends, I have a few products. So this was kindly gifted to me and sent to me from 3-4 masks. These are under eye mask. Wake Up Your Eyes. These come with 15 eye masks. They're really, really good. I really, really have thoroughly enjoyed them. They just add a lot of hydration, and so they come in this gold packaging, and this is what they look like. You leave them on for 15 minutes and they're so good. I actually really enjoy them. I have really dry under eyes, so I tend to need a lot of hydration under my eyes. So these are really awesome to include in a skincare bundle. Lumiere de Vie as well is amazing. If you would like to get a discount, you can use code ELLIEWAY at checkout. I'll leave a link to these down below, of course. I also have some products from Shop Layered, which is a layered jewelry company. This is one of their pieces. Also these Huggies back here. So, so good. You guys know how much I love their jewelry. I rave about their jewelry on social media and in other videos as well. So if you guys are interested in that, I will leave that link down below as well. They have necklaces, rings, bracelets, absolutely incredible pieces. They last so long, and I love them. If you'd like to get a 10% discount on B.O.S. Cosmetics, Lumiere de Vie, or Shop Layered, you can actually use my code 10OFFMA at checkout. I will leave a link down in the description box as well as the coupon code for you. Absolutely incredible. I will be using this in a tutorial coming up for just getting ready with me for a nice Christmas party. Okay, and now I have this one. This is the FabFitFun box. This box, guys, there are so many people that have codes. I listen to a lot of podcasts, and so I will leave links to different podcasts and codes that they use to get $10 off your first order. It is a subscription service that actually is around, I believe, $49.99, and the value is usually over like $200 to $300. So one of the items is this one. I'm currently using this. This is Botkier, New York. I hope I'm saying that right. It's a little backpack purse. I love it. It's so cute, so spacious, and it actually has quite a few pockets. It fits everything perfectly in my book, and I think it's great. It would make a great gift for your mom, your sister, grandma, anybody that you think. You can also customize this to add other pieces if you want, or replace certain pieces. I actually added a Michael Kors passport wallet to my order, and I don't believe it was at any additional cost. So in this box you have the Winky Lux, what is this? The Winky Lux Universal Brow Pencil. There we go. It's a good product. I've used Winky Lux products before, really good. And if you wanted to do, like, again, a skincare makeup kind of a deal, it would work really well. This is the Whip Cleansing Cream with truffle extract from Skin & Co. Roma. This is the Truffle Therapy, and again, nice skincare product. You also have the Hydra Repair Day Cream, and this is toxic-free through and profound understanding of human biology, cellular renewal, and nutrient Utilization for our formulations represent a new evolution of scientifically capable biological beauty. There you go. You also have this really cool thing. This is the makeup eraser, and it's very interesting. You can actually wash it in the laundry, you wet it, erase it, and it also exfoliates, which is kind of, it's like a 4-in-1, and you can keep using it over time, which is kind of cool. I appreciate that. You also have this weighted eye mask. These are amazing, especially if you put them in the freezer. Oh my god, they're amazing, and I'm obsessed with them. You can also use this for anything else as well. I obviously use a lot of cold packs, heating packs to just put on my body because I'm a dancer. And then they also have this little Sidekick Gray Moto bag, and this is kind of one of those things that you can go hiking with. Just pop a little thing in there too, and yeah. Again, you can just gift it to whomever you wish, or you can break it up. What I will do is break it up between different friends and family members. A few other things that if you're not getting subscription boxes or anything like that, for gentlemen, I recommend the gentleman's box. Obviously, I showed that to you earlier. Ties, socks, cufflinks. If your guys or ladies are obsessed with coffee or tea, you can make them a coffee or tea basket, or get them nice little pieces that will go with it. You can also do a wine basket. If they love cheeses and wines, you can also put together a basket like that, and it's actually not too expensive. You can also put together a baking basket if you know anybody that maybe one of your couple friends who can actually, you know, they can go and bake together, so you can buy them, you know, some baking bits and whatever. And games. Games are great gifts. I think that they are so good, whether they're young, old, male, female, whatever. It works really nicely. So yeah, that is this holiday gift guide. I hope that you guys enjoyed this, and I hope that you guys check some of these products out and they actually work for you. Bye!